You might know Hulk from the movie Space Odyssey, Jarvis from Iron Man, or Samantha from the movie Her. Those artificial intelligence appear to be much smarter than simple chatbots. But do they exist in reality? At the moment, if you interact with a chatbot, you're most likely communicating with a rule-based system. You click yourself through a predefined conversation. It works like telephone announcements. For questions regarding your booking, press 2. More advanced chatbots have NLP integrations, which stands for Natural Language Processing. This technology allows you to write rather freely instead of clicking on buttons, writing numbers, or emojis. Intelligent chatbots or virtual assistants are using a technology called deep learning. It enables further development through complex algorithms. Deep learning is using so-called neural networks because they are comparable to how our brain works to process huge amounts of data. In chatbots, though, they are still very rare at the moment. So the equation chatbots are bots plus artificial intelligence, and the conclusion that all chatbots are smart is simply false. Let us know your assumptions about chatbots in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.